English together.
Did you enjoy school? Did you enjoy school, Sarah?
I didn't really hate school. But I can't say I liked it very much. I used to enjoy physical education. And I quite liked art and French. However, there were many subjects I didn't enjoy. I wasn't fond of math. History felt boring. And I found chemistry difficult. I had a small group of friends. And we would spend time talking about movies and books. So it wasn't too bad. But overall, school wasn't my favorite. How about you? Did you like school?
Yeah, for the most part. I always looked forward to going back to school. I had good friends, and I enjoyed learning new things. However, there were some subjects that I didn't particularly enjoy. And I really disliked PE. I would make up excuses to avoid it. Elementary school was fun, and we had great teachers. High school was more challenging with exams and tests. My favorites were math and biology. Overall, yeah, I really enjoyed school.
If you enjoy the video, please give us a like and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe for more content like this.
Did you have a favorite or least favorite teacher at school?
Yes, I really liked the art teacher. She was my favorite because she was talented and encouraged our creativity.
Did she inspire you?
Absolutely. I still enjoy painting and drawing as a hobby. What's your biggest regret about school?
Well, I wish I had participated in more extracurricular activities. Our school had various clubs where we could explore music, dance, and photography. I feel like I missed out on developing additional skills.
I see. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.